In our previous lecture, we have created our iMovie project which is called MyMovie. Also, we imported few media files and categorized them using events. Now you know how to create project, how to import media files in projects, and the use of libraries and events. Now it is time to get to work and build a project in Timeline. And in this lecture, we will learn how to add media file in timeline, skim the timeline, remove media from the timeline, and adjust couple of timeline settings. This time I created another new event. And after that, I imported view stock video footage in this event. I just simply select this stock video event and click on import media. Now I go to downloads folder and open up the stock video footage folder and select all of these sample videos and import to. I choose stock video event and click on import selected. Alright, now if you want to add any of your media in timeline, then simply click and drag and drop it right here. And this is basically our timeline. If you want to add another media in timeline, then simply click and drag and drop it right here. Actually, you can add media file in timeline in another way. Simply choose any of your media file and click on this little plus icon to add media in timeline. I just simply hit on plus. Makes sense, right? If you want to see the preview, then hover over the mouse on any media file to see the preview. If you want to play video clip from this timeline, then simply set your timeline indicator anywhere you want and then simply hit on this play button. Simply select your timeline indicator and click on this play icon. Very simple. Now if you want to remove any of your media from timeline, then select your media file and press delete from your keyboard. For better viewing angle, if you want to zoom in or zoom out this timeline, then you can do this easily. Simply use this slider. I just simply drag it to the left for zoom out. If you want to zoom in, then simply drag it to the right. If I click on settings, here you can see few different options. You can easily increase or decrease the clip size. And if you don't want to see audio waveform from timeline, then simply uncheck this show waveforms. This time I just check this one to see the audio waveforms. Now let's add few other media files in timeline. I just simply drag and drop it right here. And if you want to repositioning your media file position, then simply select your media file and click and move it anywhere you want. Like this. Makes sense, right? And another cool feature in iMovie is, let's say, from this long video clip, 3 minutes 50 seconds video clip, if you want to add little portion of the video clip in this timeline, then simply hover over the mouse in this yellow line and click and drag it to the right. And this time I choose this yellow line and drag it to the left. Now let's say if you want to add this little portion in timeline, then simply select and click and drag and drop it in timeline. Pretty cool, right?
So a super cool setup with all of the different accessories that you need. But the second thing you need to know is that there's all
From 3 minute 50 seconds video, we just simply add 33 seconds video clip in timeline. This can be extremely helpful for dealing with long video clips when we only need a portion of the clip. So this is basically the timeline all about. In our next lecture, we will learn how to split and delete unwanted portion from the video. Thank you so much for watching.